for learning, produced wonderful life of Sadguru Sri Swami Shivananda Maharaj to Erpale. And Swami Shivananda Maharaj always took good deal of interest in physical exercise. So I saw you commenced with physical exercise. Because of physical exercise, he wrote a book that is Hatha Yoga and Surya Namaskar. What happened, how we acquired this land, I will tell you. The Maharaja of Narendranagar, Narendra Shah, he went to meet his friend in London. He expected him, he was an old man and full of wrinkles, full of white hairs. But he was sitting in his drawing room, and when his friend came, he came erect, walking straight, sparkling eyes, and no white hairs. And then he forgot the purpose for which he went. My friend, what is the wonderful miracle happened to you? How is it? I thought I came here to see a hunchback person, but now you walk erect, full of sparkling eye, and you walk with agility like a young man. What is the wonder? Then he went inside and brought a book. That its title was Hatha Yoga Sun Exercise by Swami Shivananda, published Swargashram. He is surprised. How is it to know about Swami Shivananda, who is living in my own state? I had to come all the way to London. And when he returned, he met Holy Master Swami Shivananda ji. He was so inspired. And then, Swami, what I can do for you? Guru Maharaj said, see, the Ganges is there to quench my thirst, and I got a rope over my head. What I need for that? Then he left. Some of his very intimate disciples, one Swami Paramananda Maharaj, the Guru Maharaj called it the Bismarck of my mission. So he said, oh Swami, if you don't have any place to have an ashram here, please have something you have to do. Then they went to Rishikesh, typed out the letter, took Swami's signature, and went to Narendra Shah. He gifted the land right from Ganga behind temple. See, all, that's how ashram started. So I am very happy to see the children doing good. That is, foot boys, sets up. And then also, when Holy Master went to Malaysia, when the doctor person asked, can you manage this hospital? Because I said, yes, I can manage 3 such hospitals. And then he worked, then he was taken to Johor Bahru. There he worked for 7-8 years, just as they have shown. He saw so much of misery, and he was so much inspired. And he said, what is this life? Have you come here only to suffer and sorrow? He said, his meaning in life. So there he got Vairagya. And then he served, he showed me in Swami. He presented a book called The Secret of Unification of the Individual Soul with the Supreme Soul. And that book, Guru Maharaj read, and it was inspired. Then he renounced everything and he came. Swami Gopaswami became Sri Swami Shivananda Maharaj on the 1st of June 1924. That was shown. And wonderful, we have touched upon his life. And also, profusely quoted Gurudev. Is there not a nobler mission than eating, drinking, and sleeping? Chidan, Chidan, Chidanandaham, Arhalime Lamastu Satchidanandaham. He also said wonderfully. Very, very happy. I take this opportunity to pray to Sadguru Swami Shivananda Maharaj. May his benedictions be upon each and every one of you, and may you inspire many, many more people wherever you go. And this is my prayer. With this prayer, I conclude. Sadguru Maharaj, each hand.
Om Namo Bhagavate Sri Ramanaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Shivanandaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Chidanandaya. It has been a rare blessing as I have been repeatedly in touch with Revered Swami Padmanabhanandaji. I have told him what a great blessing it is to have worked on this Actually, that is the way of the great ones, that's the way of the Jivan Muktas, the way they envelop us just like the Ganga Mata. You see, we do not recognize the flood tide of such great ones. So, when I said I showed eagerness to do this ballet, people at that time asked me, do you know the details of Swami Shivananda's life? You have agreed to do a dance ballet and the time is very short. Time is so short. In fact, at that time, there were 2 months for doing this ballet. But I said, I don't know. He should make me write the ballet. And that of the 2 months, 1 month was full of our regular schedules. We had 2-3 festivals, dance programs. We were traveling all over. So finally, we had 1 month exactly on the 3rd of August. The work on this ballet began, and Swamiji had given us 2 tasks. Not only the one of presenting this live show, but of doing a DVD video on it. That is totally a different stream, and this is a different stream. So then 3 days were left for the recording. Ambika had to do the music. She said, are you going to give the songs to me in the studio? I was to write the songs. But of course then we sat down, and Ujjwal had also done some reading and Revati had done some reading. So we had some discussions, and one night we sat down. We sat down, say around 10 p.m. and the whole night we were going into the autobiography of Swami. But before that, every year we have this program in Divine Life Society, Bangalore. Just before that, I started work on the ballet. Swamiji had been kind enough to send books and CDs and all that. We had the music program. Every year we had a dance program. This year our dancers were not supposed to be available on that day. So we said we will have bhajans. And Swamiji's book had come. What better than to sing some songs. So we took that Gopala Gopala, we took that song. But to take that song, I was just going through that. So when we started work on the life of Swami, as we were going through the incident, suddenly Swami gave me that inspiration. Every incident can be depicted through my own songs. You don't have to write anything new. That was the great grace which Swami gave, because that force of the words, his own words, he gave to us. And then of course, the image came. The image of Ganga, as soon as we thought of Swamiji, the image of Ganga came. So that abundant, so in fact, I had a discussion with my brother-in-law, and I said, I don't know, Ganga is to be the narrator or Ganga is to be Swami Shivananda himself. I am not very certain. Then he said, if Ramana is Arunachala, the mountain, Swami Shivananda is the Ganga. He is dynamic, he dances, he sings, he is having different moods. So, Ganga, yes, you go ahead, that concept is correct which you have, it will be Ganga. So, that first concept was there, and the moment we took his songs, Shivananda who, that yes, this is the Ananda of Shiva, this is the Ananda Ganga. So it started with that, and 2 days later, Ambika had to do the recording, sound recording, some of the songs where she composed the music as and when, like hot cakes we say, no? There, and then the dictating, and then the music was done, then somehow the dialogues were done, and then the choreography had to be done, and quickly we went to the video recording. By this time, she told me, 1.5 hours, Akka, you have to work within that time. You have to select only 7 to 8 songs. Beyond that, we cannot do. But as I am reading that, after I finished making that script, the second day when we had, before the second day, I was reading some more. Oh, so many beautiful incidents. How to leave all this? So one more song. So like that it became many songs. So the 2-day recording became 7-day recording, and then voice mixing, etc. And by the time we were ready for the shooting, little choreography urgently, morning, afternoon, sometime like this only, during lunchtime, during break time, like that, wherever children were available. So what happened to the shooting? How can we do the shooting? Shooting, we said, okay, 2 days, we will do the shooting, 2 hours. Started started, went on, 1 a.m. first day, 1 a.m. second day, still not over. Then okay, fortunately we had kept the cameraman there saying you finish editing also third day. So since you are here now, please do shooting third day. And Swamiji is so gracious. He made the third day a holiday, Ramzan. All artists were available. Otherwise we could not have continued. And she had just happened to plan to go leisurely in the afternoon. So we continued, then the shooting, then what to do about editing. So Swamiji knows we somehow managed, but still a few small glitches are there in the editing to be perfected, because when we are offering to such great ones, it should not be anything less than perfect. They ensure that it is so. But after that only, the recording was over, then we have to start working on the live show. Because that is different. In the shooting, we can put elaborate sets, we can do the elaborate makeup, the artist can go for a change and come back any number of hours. But as you would have noticed here, though our cast is big, the cast of Swami Shivananda is very, very big. Much bigger. So many changes each one has to undergo. The dress changes quickly. So we had to do all that planning. And then how to fit on the stage. Even this morning we had a great adventure. Yesterday we had made a backdrop over there, but we were not satisfied that visuals would not come well enough. So what to do? We cannot have a backdrop. Then how will artists go from left to right? How will they take an entry there? How will they take an entry here? So this morning we had all this, we just took courage, quietly moved a little bit all the Swami's pita, took little bit space with Swami Shivananda standing here over us. We had the rehearsal in front of his glorious presence, and we said this is how we'll make. So till this moment he has kept us on our toes literally. As Swamiji said, Karma Yoga, no? He has literally kept us on our toes. It's been throughout, but what? Har haal mein almast Satchidanand hu. That is what he says to us. Whatever we will be doing, Har haal mein almast Satchidanand hu. Our cast, Dr. Ambika Kameshwar as Ganga. She is also the music director and the chief choreographer. And we had Nidar as the young Dr. Puppuswamy, and now in a transformed version, Hema, who did all the Vyayama and others as Kuti Shivananda. And the parents of Shivananda, Ashwini and Arunesh, also developed as Bhagavan Sri Ramana Maharshi. That role also he performed. And then we had Appaya Dikshitas. We made special mention, that was the only song which we have taken other than Gurudev's song. That was the Margabandhu Ashtakam. This is because Gurudev mentions it specially. He starts his autobiography with mention of Appaya Dikshitas. Therefore, we felt it was significant. He used to sing this song? Very good. Even that song in the temple, we could take Gurudev's song, Narayana Sadashiva. So, Appaya Dikshitas was Ujjwal. Our Shiva, Srinivasana, with the Virai Tandava, no? And the Gangas, Revati, who has also done the visuals for today's show, Uma, who has looked after all the costumes, Divya, Mahalakshmi. These are all our senior dancers, along with Vincent Paul and Darshan. Our supporting stars today, we have Varsha, Radha, Sapna, Sandhya, Mohan, Ramesh, Kumaran, and our backstage helping us change all these costumes. Will Usha come on to the dais? Usha? She is
such a karma yogi that she can see the ballet. She has to be backstage all the time. She get to see the ballet. No, before I go on to the other this thing, I need to mention the cast still. The cast, Darshana, and our little tree, squirrel, and equal to all, rather ahead of all of us, Kanishka. And Kiran makeup, Kiran. Ramesh and Kumaran also helped with the properties on the stage. And then we have Govindraj, who has helped us with the stage and the lighting. Govindraj, welcome. And our stage and lighting manager, Mr. Murugan.